Can I sell my products through subscriptions? You may have seen successful subscription products around you and thought, I might start one too, or add a subscription line to my current business. Either way, there are a lot of ways you can do it, and I will categorize them into two main categories. Stick around. By the end of the video, I will tell you which one are the best if you're just starting out. Boxes, memberships, consumables, streaming, the list could go on as subscription has become a popular way to expand or even create a new business. The global subscription market is projected to be $1.5 trillion in 2025, and we can put it into two main categories: product-based subscriptions and access-based subscriptions. For product-based subscriptions, you are delivering your products in a predefined interval like weekly or monthly to your subscribers. The product that you're sending to your subscribers depends on the business you're running, and it can be three things. It could be a subscription box, it could be a replenishment product, or it could be a meal kit. Subscription box is the most common and most famous form of product-based subscriptions. Most of the time when we are thinking about buying physical subscriptions or even creating one, this is what we are aiming for. To put it simply, you are creating a box of created products that could be anything in it, like books, clothes, cosmetics, and you're sending them to your subscribers. Subscribers, on the other hand, can pre-select these products, or we can surprise them with part or all the ingredients inside. It's your choosing. The benefit of subscription boxes is that they can be very niche and curated to your target audience. So if you are kind of expertise in a specific sector or you know your target audience very well, you can easily create a box specifically for them. Profit margin on these product-based subscriptions are very high. Some sources say that it should be more than 40-45%, so you can create a viable business on top of it. On the downside, because of this profit margin, there are subscription boxes coming out basically every day. As we can see in a specific category or for a specific product, there are multiple boxes that are competing with each other, and it's very hard to maintain a user selling point that is very different from others. Keeping subscribers happy and engaged for a long run is usually a hassle. They could be very easily get tired of your products after a couple of deliveries because they have too much of it, and they can easily churn. So keeping them could be a main point of this kind of business. For the sake of examples for subscription boxes, I'm going into more detail with Cubico because their product is quite interesting. When you come to Cubico's website, this is what you can see. They created a separate category for each of their audience, which is their age, 0 to 3, 3 to 6 and above. And when you go here, like their subscription lines, we can see that it's curated for each segment. I can go to, for example, ages 5 to 8, and they tell me exactly what to expect in the box, what's inside. There's some content around it, some videos about the previous customers. They put it the reviews there, all the others that have bought this and enjoyed the product. And let me go to their process and see how it looks. It shows me what the boxes looks like. And if I say continue, this is all the intervals, like monthly, 3 months. It says which of them are most popular or best value. And let me select for about 3 months. And there is even an upselling products that I can add to the things that I have. I can say, no, I don't need that. And that's it. I can go to checkout and kind of complete my process. And this is what a normal subscription box looks like. Now let's talk about replenishment products. The main difference between these products and subscriptions is that what you're putting inside the box is a consumable product. And what is consumable is anything that your subscribers needs replenished after a certain time, like deodorants, diapers, toothpaste, or anything similar. The good part of these subscriptions is that they are very easy to source and find, as you can look at your own life and see what is consumable, and you can focus on that. But the hard part of it is that because the subscriber for these kind of subscriptions are very price sensitive, going this tab would put you in competition with companies like Amazon or Walmart, which are quite hard to compete with in price, but maybe you have a unique way of doing things, like a very good customer service or something similar. Here you can see the examples of replenished products. We'll go into a little detail on butternut box. which is one of the famous dog food subscriptions. Now we are on Butternut Box website. You can see here that you can type in the breed of the dog and can exactly build your box. You can see all the waste and all the foods and all the products that they have on their website, and some videos and specifically some of the examples that they have on how to use it and how to use the product. I click on a type of breed that the dog has, so and build the box. You can just click on it and select the name and go forward and do the rest. Now let's talk about meal kits. Delivering food ingredients is not necessarily a new thing. Some giants were shaped on this idea back in 2011, like HelloFresh. But new recipes, new methods, and new ways of doing this makes this category very interesting. The good part of meal kits is actually this, because you can customize your ingredients and recipes based on countries, regions, or even family recipes that you can find. So you can create a specific niche and focus on that target audience. The other thing is that you can keep your deliveries alive by kind of mixing ingredients up and try various recipes. This would help you retain customers over time, and subscribers would feel that they have new things coming up. The downside of this subscription is that there are already huge players, as I mentioned, like HelloFresh or Blueprint in the industry, so it could be very hard to attract new customers. And the other thing is that working with food can complicate the logistic parts of things, like purchasing, ordering, packaging, and keeping everything fresh would need a highly focused plan. This is Gusto, which is a meal kit subscription, and they have over 250 recipes a month. All the reviews they received, all the boxes you can create, and which is a weekly meal with a few clicks. And here, how many meals you want or recipes you want, and you can just customize it for yourself, how many people you are, and build your box with their meals. Now let's get into access-based subscriptions. Any kind of business that you subscribe to get access to what they're offering. It could be a streaming service like Netflix, or it could be a software like Adobe, or it could be a membership like your yoga class. These models will provide ongoing access and service based on the recurring fee that you pay them every month or a year. Software subscriptions, on the other hand, are not something new. First SaaS company, software as a service company, was provided by Salesforce back in 1999. The good part of a software as a service product is that your subscribers don't need to download or install your software again and again on their platform. And till they're paying a recurring fee for the software, you can keep updating and innovating on the product that you're delivering. If you are thinking of creating a software as a service product or SaaS product, you would need a dedicated technical team in order to do so. You would need technical managers, product manager, designers. SaaS industry is very competitive, and in order to be successful, you need to be very fast and innovative, targeting a specific audience and problem in order to differentiate yourself from others. Now let's talk about the last way to do subscriptions, which is memberships. If you want to monetize your skills, or you want to give extra perks or discounts to your subscribers, this is the way you can do that. Educational platforms, gym memberships, yoga memberships, or special discounts you would get if you're a member of a website are all part of these membership subscriptions. Having a membership platform will create a sense of community in your subscribers, which would help you keep them loyal and engaged with your platform. And also, membership allows you to create a specific content for your members so that you can differentiate your business from others. But members of the community expect continuous value and exclusive benefits, which would require to consistently deliver high-quality services to keep the community alive. For memberships, this is Glow, which is a wellness platform. There is a daily live class, and they have a software and application of themselves as well. You can see their schedule. Just start your free trial and see what works for you. There are different structures here, and this is a way that Glow is using subscriptions to deliver their yoga classes for memberships. This is an example of when you become a member and you receive more discounts on the website, which is Sephora. As you can see, if you pay 350 euros a year and be the member here, we can see the seasonal savings events, like with 50% off, or point multiplier events with 3 times. You can pay more, like 1,000, and have more percentages. So now let's do a quick recap of what we've covered. We've talked about two ways you can do subscriptions, which was product-based and access-based. For product-based, it was subscription boxes, replenishment products, and meal kits. And for access, it was streaming, software as a service, and memberships. If you're just starting out, I would recommend two of these categories better equipped for starters, which is subscription boxes and memberships. The reason I'm saying that is that they're easier to start, there are more content about them out there, and you can expect a return after a quick fall to see if it fits your needs or not. We will create more videos about this content in the future, but for now, thank you for watching, and until next time.